Welcome to Roger Adventures. On this video I'm going to show you how I painted this rock. This is a Christmas theme. This is Santa Claus flying on his sled pulled with his reindeers. First I coated the rock with regular house paint and then applied dark blue paint. All the paints that I use are acrylics. I just covered it with the dark blue, and then I apply some white directly into the rock just to make it lighter. Depending on how I see the background turning lighter, I decide if I add some more or less. You can follow my tutorial. It will be really nice if you do this rock. This rock is actually really easy to make. I hope you do it, and if you do, please share your pictures on my Facebook page, Roger Adventures, or in my Instagram, tag me as Roger Adventures. So I wanted the background a little bit lighter because the moon was going to be yellow, so I kept on adding some white paint going around, and this part I apply a little bit more white, so I just apply a little bit more of blue paint so the transition is lighter. The moon, I just added some yellow paint, but I wanted to do not too bright, so I added some white. And the sled and Santa, I drew it with this Posca pen. These pens are really nice to work. I really recommend you. I'm gonna leave the descriptions of the pens that I use and all the other tools that I use for my arts and crafts on the description below on this video. I want to take this opportunity to wish everybody a safe Christmas and prosperous New Year. I hope that your goals for this New Year's you complete them, and I wish you the best. Be safe out there. Don't drink and drive. Have a designated driver or Uber or Lyft so we can start the new year good. You have to start good. So continue with the rock. So I was drawing the reindeers with the Posca pen, and then I just did, where the wave where the reindeers go with the little sparkles, and I just drew some stars in the background, and I drew a big one on the right corner. And then the buildings, I just use blue paint. This is a suggestion of building. It's not realistic, so you can just make different kind of buildings. So I made some buildings and then some houses, some pine trees too, because Santa Claus goes to the city, goes to the suburbs, and it goes to the open road as well. If you have any questions or suggestions for this channel, let me know in the section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you can receive announcements on my next videos. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. On the buildings, I painted a little bit of lines and dots representing the lights coming out of the buildings. And this is the rock coated with the resin. I hope you liked it, and I will see you on the next video.